sometimes sprinkler heads can get stuck in an up position. So after they run and they turn off, they don't go down. And that's another pretty common problem that's generally an easy fix. The reason for this is usually some debris get caught up into the body, or sometimes it's just old age, but they kind of dry out. So an easy fix for it, which I'll demonstrate here, is really just getting this shaft and this part just lubricated up pretty good, because the plastic just dries out. So one of the things that you want to use is you want to use something that's not going to be a real gunky grease. I like to use WD-40 for these kind of things, but it is a water displacer, so so it can work pretty good in this situation. But you can usually just kind of spray it around in here and then spray it on the shaft and just make sure that it's lubed in there pretty good, and it's going to help that just go back up and back down into place. If you do that and it doesn't correct the problem, then it may be dirty inside. So what you can do is, with this body still in the ground, is you can actually just unscrew the whole thing and take it off, and it might be dirty right in this area. So you'll just take some of your WD-40, or you can use an oil like a 2-in-1 oil on there too, and squirt it around and just make sure that you get it all over the shaft on there pretty good. Move it in and out a couple of times and then put it back together, and you should be good to go.